So friends, in this video of Power Query, we will learn about how to append data in the same sheet. Earlier, we have learned about how to append data in multiple in different sheet, like in different file, but this time we will do it in the same sheet. So how we can do it? Let's check it out. So this is our question here, and we have to append data in the same sheet. So here we have tables, different table, like January table, February table, March table. So like this is our sales table of March, then we have April table, then May table, and your June table. So these are our table. So now what we will do, we will append all these data in the same sheet. So before that, what we will do, we will go to the Jan and click on our table, then we will go to data, and from data I will convert it into table. So I will just click from table, and this will create a query. So it will convert it into a query, and first of all it will convert into a table, then it will convert this table into a query. So it is taking time, no response is showing. Maybe just wait for 2-4 minutes, it will be done. So it will showing now. Create a table, my table as header, and click OK. So now this will open a new screen, which is your Power Query screen. This is called Power Query Editor. Now what we will do, okay, so here is our first query. So I just give this query a name, and the name is Jan, and just come out, and then I will go here, and then I will say close and load. So it will ask, I will say only create connection. This time we do not need the output, so I will just click on only create connection and load. So our first query is created. Then I will go to February. Similarly I will do there. Then I will go to data, then from table. Okay. So our second Power Query is creating. Then I will give another name, which is Feb, and then again I will say close and load, and we again create a connection for that. Only create connection this time, we do not want the output. Similarly I take the third one, again I will do the 3 only here, and then I will go again from table, from my table as a header. Okay, then I will write down the March, and just close and just click close and load to, and create a connection again. Only create connection and load. So now we have taken 3 tables here. So now we will append these data. So then I will go to the data again, and then I will go to your new query, and from combine queries I will say append. So when I will click append, so it's open a table. So we have more than 2 tables, so that's why I will take 3 and more, and then I will take this. It will the same way like what we have done earlier. The same screen is up here. So January add, then I will take second add, then I will take third add, and press OK. So now a new query is made, and which will append the data of all 3 tables which we have taken. And now what we will do, we will just close and load, because we need the output. So I just click close and load, Now we have this new append with the name append new sheet is open, where we have data of all the 3 sheets. So this is the way we can do when we have to do it in a same file, but if we have to do the in different file, then we have another video which we have made earlier.